Alright, y'all, so it's literally the next day right now. But I want to just reiterate everything that happened. You guys saw, well, if you guys have not seen by now, I was actually filming a POV drive when basically my engine blew up. I'm sick, so
brother,
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been sick for a little while. Quick little story time. I'm about to get reiterating myself. Boom, I got sick last week. Didn't drive the car much at all due to that. Boom, Monday comes along. I had to drive to work. Then I was like, boom, hold on. Why it sound a little weird? You know what I'm saying? Like when I'm driving around like roughly 3,000 RPMs. Sound like she wheezing and shit. Sound like she got a supercharger in her and shit. And I'm like, I don't know what's going on. She's not supercharged. She's not supposed to be making that sound. So I was like, there's no check engine light. There's no O2 sensor light. There's none of that's going on. None of that's going on. So it's not my intakes at all. So then I look at my serpentine belt. It looks fine. I noticed when I'll start it, sometimes it'll start chirping a little bit, and then I started doing a little research, and I was like, okay, so I might just have to change it. So I was like, I was just pushing it as it's gonna wear out soon, so I need to get it fixed. Boom, POV drive. I was like, all right, we're probably gonna try and get it fixed this week. This is next week coming up. I didn't even break even 3K RPMs. I was in between 2,000 RPMs or something like that. Boom. It sounds like something blew up in my shit, my nigga. Blew up. So I pulled over. And when I pulled over, boom, look. You see what I'm talking about right here? This right here. Done. And then, I don't know if y'all be able to see all the way down there at the bottom. You see if I could get it to focus. One of the pulleys is all the way down. It's probably too dark for y'all to see. But one of the pulleys is all the way down there at the bottom. Sitting there. So, my serpentine belt, I don't know if it was the belt or the pulley that gave out, but one or the other blew up. And now, I gotta get it fixed. So, of course, where I'm at right now, which is fucking absolutely ass, they don't open on weekends, so I have to wait all the way until Monday. It is Friday. This happened on Thursday, so I have to wait all the way until Monday to take it to the shop. So I did get it towed to my crib. Now I'm gonna have to get it towed to the shop. So yeah, man, that's what happened, man. And I miss just, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy that me and her got sick at the same time. It's like, that's how you know me and her bond are like this. You know what I'm saying? Me and my sweet baby blackie bubble butt. Me and her are just like this, for real. But yeah, we're gonna get that fixed, I guess. Hopefully, there's no bigger issue going on here. Hopefully it's just simple as the tensioner and the pulleys need to be changed, and as well as the belt down in there. Hopefully it's something simple just like that. Yeah, you can see all the pulleys and shit. You can see, if I could get a good angle right here. You see that? This is not supposed to be all the way over there. So yeah, man. And then whenever we get her fixed, I'm gonna clean up this engine bay, make her feel brand new again, because I know I'll be taking her to the doctors, getting her situated and whatnot. And she's dirty as hell. Look at her. She's dirty as hell. She's mad dirty, bruh. But she still look tight good, even though she dirty, but still. And I wanted to get her cleaned up today. It's a nice day today. I can't wash her today at all. It's just GG's, you feel me? Out of sympathy for me, make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, support me. The journey with this car, it hasn't been a bad journey, so I wasn't really that upset when, you feel me, when she broke down on me, because this is the first time she actually broke down on me. First time I had a car break down on me, and I've owned this car for mad long, like mad long. So that's a good thing. So, I mean, and it's not a big issue. It's not like an engine failure or nothing crazy like that. So I'm just looking at the bright side, and good thing I wasn't driving fast either, because if I was driving fast and cut off like that, it could have caused a lot more issues. I was going like 30, maybe 40 miles per hour when it happened. And yeah, it's just a lot of scenarios, man. But pray for Blackie Bubble Butt by smashing that like button, hitting that subscribe channel. I said hitting that subscribe channel, hitting that subscribe button. But hey, man, she's gonna be okay. Look at her. She's being treated like a sick patient. She's about to go to the nursing home. Yo, Blackie Bubble Butt is back. Oh my gosh, listen. And I am not sick anymore, and she is not sick anymore. I know you guys see me in like 3 different outfits throughout this entire video, but one thing I want to do is explain to y'all real quick that this car is my heart. She's my love. And it killed me to see her on a tow truck, like word. In the nights, just sleeping, I was dreaming about her. She's up and running now. I'm gonna explain to y'all exactly what happened and what the shop did. So, real quick, I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Look. So, boom. You see these right here? These are the old pulleys. This is a tensioner as well. This is a pulley with a tensioner. I guess, I don't even think this was ever changed in the vehicle since I got it at all. Look at it. You know what I'm saying? This one just looks dirty as hell. I don't know. I don't think it was ever changed at all. But what happened, what happened and how they explained that this all happened. This is the belt, by the way. Ain't nothing wrong with the belt. It just, I don't know. I don't know about this part right here. Y'all see this? Hold on. Y'all see this part right here? I don't know what the hell that is, but it's probably rubbing. Maybe that's the reason why it fucked up. But anyways. What's wrong with him? Something wrong with this nigga, bro. What happened was the belt slipped off one of the pulleys, or one of the pulleys was backing off somehow. I don't know how that happened, but either way, the belt slipped off the pulley, and then one of my pulleys flew off and fell down into my engine bay. And that killed it. Listen, it killed her. It killed her. And that's when you heard that big ass thud. That fat ass thug. I said thug. That thud that scared the living shit out of me, okay? But basically, that's all that happened. Luckily, there's no extra engine damage at all. I'm just happy that I got her back. I'm just happy I got her back, bro. She look mad good. I'm gonna get her all cleaned up and stuff. Bro, y'all, I've been talking to y'all, for y'all that's been with the channel for a good while. I've been telling y'all that I've been trying to get this new whip, bro. So I want to do mine to the car. Trust me, I want to. I want to get a new bumper. I've been had a carbon fiber grill that I haven't put on because I'm waiting to see if I'm gonna get a bumper or not. But I promise y'all, when I do get my other whip, bro, for sure, new bumper coming for this whip. And that's facts. But I don't know if I'm gonna end up getting the bumper before the whip, but who knows, bro. That was gonna be for another video, but I just wanted to fill y'all in real quick. And yeah, Blackie Bubble Butt is back, and I'm as happy as ever. And she's been running fine. Yeah, that's my heart right there, man. She's back and alive, man. I love that baby right here, bro. I love her. Shut up, bitch.
I don't really care about nada. Young nigga popping a collar. She give me burn like a scholar. I shoot it up, but I won't be a father. Had a hoe popping a pill. She see me popping a pill. Shit like you know that addiction is real. Don't give a fuck, I just like how it